transport food, oxygen and waste within the body. They are of two types, arteries and veins. Arteries transport oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the other parts of the body. The blood in the arteries is bright red in color as it is rich in oxygen. Blood flows through the arteries in spurts at high pressure, hence they have thick elastic walls. Therefore, when an artery is cut, the blood spurts out quickly. On the other hand, veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. The blood in the veins is dark red in color as it is poor in oxygen. The veins have valves on their inner lining that allow blood to flow only in one direction, that is, towards the heart. The blood flows in the veins slowly and continuously at very low pressure, hence they have thin walls. So, when a vein is cut, the blood flows out slowly but continuously. The arteries divide into smaller vessels when they enter an organ. On reaching the tissues, they divide further into extremely thin tubes. These are known as the capillaries. The blood flowing through the capillaries supplies oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. They also collect waste products and carbon dioxide. In this process, the color of the blood changes from bright red to dark red. A number of capillaries join together to form a vein. The veins take carbon dioxide-rich blood back to the heart. So, which organ acts like a pump supplying blood to all parts of the body? It's the heart. The heart pumps blood through our body. It is located in the chest cavity with its lower part slightly tilted towards the left. Its size is approximately same as that of the person's fist. It pumps carbon dioxide-rich blood to the lungs and oxygen-rich blood to other parts of the body. The heart consists of 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are the atria and the 2 lower chambers are the ventricles. There is a partition between the right and the left chambers called the septum. It prevents the mixing up of blood rich in oxygen with the blood rich in carbon dioxide. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped out from the left ventricle to all parts of the body. On the other hand, carbon dioxide-rich blood is pumped out from the right ventricle to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery is the only artery in the human body that carries carbon dioxide-rich blood. Similarly, the pulmonary veins are the only veins in the body that carry oxygen-rich blood. Do I hear a thumping sound? Oh yes, that's the heartbeat. The walls of the heart are made up of the most powerful muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically. This rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles constitute a heartbeat. You can feel your heartbeat by placing your palm on the left side of your chest. Doctors use a stethoscope to feel the patient's heartbeat. A stethoscope is a device that amplifies the sound of a person's heartbeat. It consists of a chest piece which holds a sensitive diaphragm, 2 ear tips or earpieces, and a tube joining these parts. Doctors can check the working of the heart by listening through a stethoscope, or feel the heartbeat by feeling the pulse. The pressure applied by the blood on the walls of the arteries, felt in certain parts where an artery runs over a bone, is known as pulse. The best place to check the pulse is the wrist. To do so, the right hand should be held around the left wrist to feel a throbbing sensation. Count the number of pulse in 1 minute. For young people, the ideal pulse rate is 70 to 80 per minute. The number of times the heart beats in a minute is same as the pulse rate.